Want to find trending videos on YouTube using your mobile device? Most people get this wrong. They either rely on the home feed or search manually, missing the official trending section. The surprising truth is that YouTube makes it easy to see what's popular with just a few taps. Here's how. Open the YouTube app on your phone and look at the bottom menu. Tap the Explore icon. On some devices, it might be labeled as trending. This section shows videos that are currently trending in your country, including music, news, gaming, and more. You can swipe through different categories to narrow down what you want to watch. You can also customize your experience. YouTube uses your location and interests to recommend trending videos that are relevant to you. If you are following certain channels, their videos may appear in your Explore feed if they are gaining popularity. For creators, checking trending videos is useful for inspiration, spotting content trends, or understanding what's currently popular in your niche. Remember, trending doesn't always mean viral globally, it's often regional, so you may see different videos depending on where you are. In conclusion, using the Explore or Trending tab on YouTube Mobile is the fastest way to discover trending content. It's simple, organized, and updated constantly, keeping you in the loop. If this guide helped you find trending videos on YouTube Mobile, subscribe for more practical tips, tricks, and tutorials to make the most of YouTube.